Hi there, and welcome to the ABC Digital Info page. This page is perfect if you're planning to present to your group a fundraiser or if you want to launch a fundraiser. This page has it all. So do yourself a favor and forward this page to yourself, save it, text it, email it to yourself, save it as favorites, or bookmark it because this is your go-to page for everything fundraising. Kind of like your one-stop shop where all of our fundraisers are one simple click away from you launching your fundraiser. Okay, so if you already know which fundraiser you want to do, you can kind of skip this little tutorial and go straight down to that fundraiser. Let's say it's cookie dough. Just click start this fundraiser now and you're off to the races. You can get order takers or you can get our new web stores, which is pretty tremendous because you just share a link and people pay with debit or credit card. It's a great shopping cart. Or you could do both. You can do a hybrid. So if you know which fundraiser you want to do, scroll down to it and choose right away. And if you are not sure which fundraiser you want to do, hang tight. I'm going to go over that in a second. Most of you are on this page because you want to present to your group and decide, is a specific fundraiser right for you? So let's jump straight to that. If you are, let's say, looking at popcorn, right? And you are going to have a meeting tonight, or this week, scroll to the popcorn like I'm doing here. So there we go. You can click here to see a live web store. So there's that option, right? You can do the traditional order takers or see a live web store. Here's some quick little bullet points on that fundraiser. But download the info kit so that you got the information to present to your group tonight. And as I'm opening up that page, it's a PDF. So you can have this on a tablet, you can have it on your phone, or you can simply print it out and present it to your group. But it's going to give you all the details that you need to present to your group. So kind of like all the bullet points you can talk about. And there's the bullet points, page 1. And then we show you the brochure, the order taker brochure, so you can present that to your group. So that's what the order taker looks like. And bingo, that's where you take the traditional order taker details. Or you could also see our new web stores. So look at this page, also included. So it's showing you a desktop, a mobile view, and a checkout page. This is so you can print it out and share it with your group. And remember, if you have a web store, you get awesome reports like a dashboard report, a product report, or customer report. So anything you want to download at the end of the campaign so you know who sold what because it keeps track of everything. We call the web store your best fundraising assistant ever. So there you go. It's as easy as that. Scroll to the product you want, click download info kit, and of course, remember, you bookmarked this page, right? You saved it as your favorites. So after your meeting, if it's tonight at 8 o'clock, you can come back here at 9 o'clock. Yes, if you called us, we are closed, but we always answer our phones anywhere from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. That we're open, so give us a call. Or tonight, just come here, click start this fundraiser now, and you're going to put in your address, how many members you are. We'll mail you the forms, or you can choose to have a web store that we just talked about, or you could do both. And the cool thing right now, if you want to, you could also go to our homepage, scroll to the bottom, because we have a whole video on how to launch your fundraiser successfully. So once you've chosen which fundraiser, you can check out the launch video on how to launch it and have a super successful campaign. People that watch our launch video typically have about a 50% or more better results than those who don't watch it. So why not get the free tips and great ideas from our launch video found on our homepage at the bottom. Now, let's say you weren't sure which fundraiser to do at all. So on this digital download page, the very first item you can download is our catalog. And you can also have it mailed to you. But keep in mind, it's going to take 4 to 5 days. This gets sent first class mail. So if you're not in a rush, you can have this mailed to you. But if you're in a rush, just click the digital download, which will bring you here. It'll download our catalog. And just to share with you, this catalog is kind of a brief touches upon each product, maybe a page or even half a page per product. You will always get more detail from the digital info on the specific product or from the website. You know, if it's snacks, just go to the snacks page on the fundraiser and you get it all there. This is just to have a little bit of everything if you want to have it mailed to you. All right, so that's by clicking Mail Me this catalog. And as far as, which fundraiser is right for you, if you're still not sure, we'll tell you that, for instance, the discount card, this is for larger groups where you have, let's say, 60 or more members, because you got to sell 300 minimum discount cards, and it does take time for us to build your card because it's completely custom. However, what a great fundraiser, right? Because it's great for your community, and it's a fundraiser that card lasts an entire year, and it's something you can launch year after year. Scratch and Help, great for small groups. So if you're 10, 20 members, this is a great fundraiser to do. But the cookie dough, you want to do this if you're 25 members because the minimum order is 100 items on both cookie dough and Auntie Anne's pretzels. Face masks, only 25 items, so that's great for small groups. Popcorn, 25 items, great for small groups. Auntie Anne's, 100 items. Only do this if you're a large group. About 40 items minimum on the snack, so you can do that if you're a small group. 25 minimum for flower bulbs, great for small groups. 25 for the custom travel mugs, and 25 for the candle fundraiser. Zappa snack, 50. So make sure you're 35, 40 members or more if you want to do that one. 25 minimum for coffee. Entertainment, you can order just 10 entertainment cards, so any size group. And spinners, you can order 10 or more, so small groups are good. Beef jerky, 100 items. Chocolate bars, you just order by the case, and those you do purchase up front. Same thing with pretzel rogs, you order it by the case. Lollipops, order by the case. So those are all, and cotton candy. We call these cash and carry, so you pay up front and we ship it to you. Same thing with the pizza card fundraiser. And holiday, which is a seasonal fundraiser, this one, 50 minimum on the holiday fundraiser. So make sure you can sell a lot and you're a bigger group. But scrolling right back up to the top, save this page as we mentioned, your one-stop shop for all your fundraising. And we're open Monday through Friday. We answer our phones, so call us. We're here to help. We'll walk you through everything. Yes, we're in a digital world, so having this digital page is definitely very helpful for our groups. But if you have questions, is there anything you're not sure of, don't be shy. Call us. We love talking to our customers and helping them every step of the way. So there's a customer right now. So give us a call if you want to talk to us. We're happy to answer the phones. But we look forward to working with you. We look forward to being your fundraising go-to for years and years to come, especially with our web stores. Because when you have a web store with ABC Fundraising, that's your web store. You own it. So you can call us anytime and launch any one of our fundraisers with a quick phone call, and you're up and running same day. All right, well, don't forget to also check out our homepage. If you scroll to the bottom, that's our launch video that gives you great tips for you to have a successful fundraiser. So from ABC Fundraising, we look forward to working with you and helping you guys with your fundraiser and having great success. Thanks.